Hello, today we will guide you through how to integrate Facebook lead ads with HubSpot. To get started, open HubSpot and make sure you are on the main home screen. This is where you can access the tools, settings, and integrations needed to connect external apps to your account. If your dashboard looks slightly different, that is normal, since HubSpot layouts can vary a little depending on your subscription or recent updates. Once you are on the home page, look toward the top area of the screen for the Marketplace option. You want to find the HubSpot Marketplace, which is where HubSpot provides access to integrations, apps, and add-ons that can expand what your account can do. Taking a moment to locate this section carefully will help you avoid opening the wrong menu. When you see HubSpot Marketplace, click on it. This will take you into the App Marketplace, where you can search for tools that connect with HubSpot. Since we are setting up Facebook lead ads integration, this is the place where the connection begins. After the Marketplace opens, go to the search bar and type in Meta Ads. This search helps narrow down the available apps so you can find the correct integration more quickly. Because Facebook's business tools are now often listed under the Meta name, searching for Meta Ads is the right approach here. From the search results, click on Meta Ads. Be sure you select the listing that matches the official integration. Opening the correct app page is important because this is where HubSpot provides the details, permissions, and setup path needed for the connection. On the Meta Ads page, click Install. After that, simply follow the on-screen procedure to complete the integration. During this part of the process, HubSpot and Meta may ask you to confirm permissions, sign in if needed, and approve access so lead data can flow correctly between the two platforms. Read each prompt carefully before continuing, especially if you manage multiple ad accounts or business pages. As you work through the setup, it is a good idea to double-check that you are connecting the correct Meta account and the right HubSpot workspace. This helps prevent leads from being sent to the wrong place. Once the installation is complete, your Facebook lead ads integration with HubSpot should be ready to use. That's it. You have now gone through the process of finding the HubSpot Marketplace, searching for the Meta Ads integration, and installing it through the guided setup.